How to clear cache on AliExpress application. Are you guys facing issues to clear cache on AliExpress application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open AliExpress on your mobile device. Once you open the AliExpress website, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see your profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, you can see this option for setting. Tap on it. After you click on settings, you can see multiple options. Just simply tap on clear cache. You are looking to clear cache, right? Tap on it. Once you click on it, your application cache will be cleared. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to clear cache on AliExpress website or application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.